NFL Today Studios in New York. 31-3.
Trying to make a leg. Ooh, chippy.
All I have to say as well, I mean, it's unbelievable. Peyton Manning,
Ooh.
16 for 320 yards, 4 touchdowns. Just incredible. And the problem is with Denver Broncos.
There goes hair on my pressure vacuum carpet.
They're playing a lot of zone coverage. You see this right here. The other thing, what's their defense doing? Playoff game, they're looking around. Who's going to tackle the guy? Nobody. Harrison goes in for a touchdown. That's his lead. 4 touchdowns in the first half.
Okay, when you play cover 2, let's get something on the guy initially right off the ball. If you want to play cover 2, why don't we have the quarterback go and play in the secondary in the back part and have the safety come up and play in front to get a good jam on
Well, if you do that, we know that quarterback know what the cover is.
Everybody knows what the coverage is.
Wait a look at this NFL MVP in action. I'll tell you what, Peyton Manning is making a statement, and this is an amazing situation that 2 weeks ago, the Denver Broncos